Hi, we're Group 7, and our technology is a conveyor-based sorter for recycled metals. Recycling is already an incredibly successful billion-dollar industry. Amongst the sheer amount of material being processed, recycling plants can afford to slack in certain areas because of their large revenues. A significant part of their potential that is lost within their recycled metals is within their recycled metals, which make up over a third of overall recycled materials. All electronics contain recyclable metals, and every piece of electronic waste is recyclable. However, only about 30% of the nation's electronic waste gets recycled, with another portion of that being lost due to the current process of sorting materials. This loss of time and money can be attributed to overshredding material, resulting in part of the asset being lost in the metal dust, along with the growing complexity of electronics.
So by introducing this conveyor-based system, recycling plants can basically increase their efficiency, while other plants use systems of heating systems or shredding systems. These result in a lot of loss among valuable metals such as aluminum or copper. This system instead uses conveyor belts and sensors that can pick out the valuable metals and make sure that they get recycled properly. The value proposition of this is that recycling plants can do their job better. They can recycle more materials. It also has environmental benefits in that more is being recycled, so there should be less pollution. And it has some business benefits as well in that by using, in the past, some plants have used a system of people just picking out valuable materials, and the system instead uses sensors, which automates some of the jobs and makes it more efficient and can save some money. The product will make money through three main revenue streams. These are its initial sales, which we estimate would cost $650 to make, and we would sell them at $1,000 a piece. We assume we'd reach approximately 1% of the total market, which would equal 500 units, and that 10% of these would require repair and maintenance, which would generate $32,000 in revenue in year one. And then we would also have membership program fees, which would work to offer discounts to draw in more repeat customers.
We're asking for $330,000. This will help us have enough units for 1% of the market, and the cost of shipping will be financed by the consumer. With recycling being a billion-dollar industry, this price, relative to the revenues, is incredibly affordable and will save a significant amount of time while increasing revenues with the reduced loss of assets during the shredding process. Initial warehouse costs would be too exorbitant, so we will start by making them by the order. We would also like to find juniors and seniors in engineering and computer science that would like to work in an internship, which could lead to becoming an employee of the company. Interns would work with the mechanics of the sorter along with the software that we create.